Hello, welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. This is our first build for the year, and it's going to be the Mickey Mouse Spring Festival Mickey Mouse, celebrating Chinese New Year. Set number 215 in the Brickheads collection, and Lego set number 40673. This comes with 120 pieces, so a short build, but it does look good. And I think there are two printed pieces, one being the front of the shirt here, and the other one, if you can see here, is the red envelope that usually takes place with the Chinese New Year. So time to get into the build. I don't expect it will take long, being a single pack. So maybe around the 15-minute mark. So hopefully you can join me after the speed build. Welcome back. Here we have set number 40673, Brickheads collection number 215. It is the Spring Festival Mickey Mouse to celebrate the Chinese New Year. Good looking set this, two printed pieces, the one on the front here and the red envelope right here. It was a slightly different build to what you usually get with Brickheads, with the layering of snot bricks. But that is more to do with the curving of the face here, where you have to do a little bit of modeling inside to make sure that this side piece here can fit in all right. And that's done very well. There are some fragile pieces to do with this set. The lamp here on the edge, the feet come off very easily just because of the connection points. And I'm not a big fan of how the ears connect. They come off very easily as well. But look, that's just nitpicking really. It's not generally a playable piece of Lego. It's more of a collection showpiece, so that's okay. They will sit there. They've used them in the past, these ears. Quite creative how they get it to sit inside the headpiece here, or the cap. But yeah, it's not the most secure way of doing it. But anyway, that's just nitpicking. I don't need to be doing that because the set looks fantastic and a welcome addition to the collection, and to get the new year off with a bang. Not much out at the moment in the way of Brickheads, but they will be coming over the next couple of months. So look forward to doing some more. So that's all I have for you today. And hopefully you can join me next time on Sunday Morning Builds. Bye for now.